my name is Morgan Schwanky. Welcome to my first video and cheers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this blackberry lemon gin fizz, and it's very easy. There's only 4 ingredients, and so I'm hoping to have this be a little bit of a segment here, and it's going to be called Schwanky Sipping Saturdays. Gotta love that double alliteration. So let's just get right on into it, and make sure to stick around till the very end because there are a ton of bloopers. Okay, let's get started. So first we're going to take the gin. I'm using New Amsterdam, but of course feel free to use whatever you have on hand. I had a coupon for this at Myers, so that's why I'm using New Amsterdam. So we're going to take the cocktail maker. I got mine off of Amazon. It came with everything that you would need, and it shipped within a week. I will have it linked down below if you are interested. And so we're totally just going to pre-pour this. I'm kidding. No. I'm going to make a recipe that'll be good for 2 drinks, because I'm not suggesting that you drink alone. And I am actually going to measure them out. And so I'm just going to measure out 2 shots. This is just a chill drink on a night in, not trying to get crazy or anything. My mom and I are just going to drink these after we're done making the video, so I'm rewarding her with a drink. And next we're grabbing the blackberries. I'm just going to give them a quick rinse. Don't want to have anything gross on them, obviously. Just give them a little bit of a shake. And then I'm grabbing 6. You honestly can just grab a handful. These are really good. So we're just going to plop these in with the gin. So that's all done. And so next up is Mio drops. I'm making my version of the drink low carb, low calorie. So Mio is it's a natural flavor, but they're just flavor drops. I'm going to put 4 squirts into it. Okay, so now that we have the blackberries, the gin, and the lemon flavoring inside, we're going to be muddling them. So basically what muddling does is it allows you to liquefy whatever product you're putting into the shaker here. And like with the blackberries, it's going to mush them into a juice. And so then that way you're going to be able to infuse your drink with whatever flavors you're putting in here. And then later when we strain it, it's going to leave out all of the seeds and any bits that we don't want. And there's that way you can have a smooth beverage. Okay. I actually made this drink for the first time this past spring during the March Madness tournament. My roommates and I at the time had a bunch of friends over, and we watched the game together, and my roommate and I drank these, and we thought they were really good. So it's actually interesting. I can actually smell everything kind of coming together, and it's a really good smell. I think it's a really nice, just easy step up of your average gin and tonic. It's really not that hard to make either, and you can substitute with kind of like whatever like you want to. You could just toss in an actual like lemon and squeeze it in, or you could just add some lemonade after you mix everything together. It's really up to you. It's really nice because you can just kind of make it what you want. So now comes the fun part of actually putting it in the glass. So now we're ready to put the mixture into the glasses. One of the things that I really liked about this shaker and cocktail kit was that the top of the shaker just pops off and you have a built-in strainer. There are some kits where the strainer comes as an additional piece and you lay it on top of the shaker here, but I liked that you could theoretically just shake and then pour. And so now you can see we're getting a nice consistency with the liquid. Alright guys, so last step is the tonic. Again, I'm making a low-calorie version, so I'm just using diet tonic. You can use regular tonic if you want. So hopefully this isn't about to spray all over me. Tonic does have a tendency to do that, but I think we're fine. Okay. And I really love the color that you get from the blackberries. You wouldn't expect it to be so red. And about 3/4 of the way up. Be careful, tonic does bubble a lot. And there you have it. So this is a blackberry lemon gin fizz. Cheers! Should I see if I can just like toss it in my mouth? No, that did not work. But they're really good though. So let's get these puppies muddled. That sounds really wrong. Probably because I work for the animal rescue site. It's part of my job. So we're just gonna muddle these blackberries. You can cut now.